Okay, so we're in Costa Rica at night, and these people, they found a boa constrictor.
Here it goes.
We're letting it go. Ready? Here it is.
Let go. What's happened with you? Let's go. Let's go.
He's not.
Come here. Come here. Come here, little by little. Come
He's
here.
interested.
Come here. Yeah, there we go.
Maybe when he's like stretched out, maybe he'll just let me pet him.
Please.
He's nice. Oh, he likes the box. He's gonna get back in.
He doesn't know what's happening.
Oh, he's trying to bite the box.
Yeah.
You think this is a good position for me to pet him? Oh wait, no.
Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not.
Stay away.
Maybe we should like move to the vegetation. That'd probably be good. The people will probably just come on the road and see him. And there's tape. You think he's trying to remove the tape?
Looks like a female.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is a female.
He's breathing heavily.
We should check. Oh, no, he got the tape off himself. Do you think this is a good position for me to pet his tail? What? That feels so weird.
Wow.
Feels weird.
Be careful. Let them go.
Yeah.
Take your other way, please.
There's some ants right over there. Maybe we can
Look for the ants, yeah.
eat those, but that probably would not be a good meal. Yep, it's definitely a female.
How can you tell?
Because its tail,
Yeah, its tail. The way the tail looks.
Sometimes the tail for a males are kind of rounded tail.
Yeah. Do you think we'll see some milk snakes up here? Do you think it's possible?
We never know.
You never know what you're gonna see, really.
Let's go.
Maybe you could try to push him in there with your stick.
I don't want to disturb it.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
Are those horses gonna attack us?
Didn't see that coming.
Do the fences make it so the horses can't get us? Because their kick could punch right through us.
That's a beautiful.
It's a good looking one too. Really healthy. Wow. Oh, there's a whole herd of them. Check that out.
How often do they lay eggs?
I don't know. This is just
Once per year.
This is just a
Oh.
baby, so it's not even close to turning into an adult and laying eggs.
So beautiful. Look at this. Wow.
It's even cooler when it's stretched out.
How long do you think?
They can get
4
much
feet?
bigger, much bigger. This is just a baby.
More than 4 feet?
My light? Yep. There we go. Check that out. Their skin feels so leathery. And that's the way we're going, so. Is that okay if he's going the way that
I
we're
heard
going?
some frogs over there.
Maybe we should check that out. Are we the only one? He probably doesn't really like the light, but
Say thank
probably-
you again, Len.
thank you so much for showing me this boa
My
constrictor.
pleasure, my pleasure. I really wanted to show you this.
Yeah,
It's
crazy.
incredible.
It's definitely the biggest snake I've ever seen in the wild.
In the wild.
Yeah. Zoos I've seen bigger, but it's far better to see not wild.
It's a lot different seeing them in the wild, isn't it?
Check that out.
It's very nice. I'm very happy to put this in a safe
I think
place.
he's going into a burrow. Oh no, he's going up there. Look at that tail. They're so leathery smooth. It's
Look,
crazy.
look its pattern. Pretty cool.
Bye, little snake. Hopefully you can find some food. It's not us.
Have a happy life.
Just don't eat us, okay?
That's pretty big, right?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely the biggest snake I've ever seen in the wild. And there he goes. Sweet, okay. I think if we continue up this dirt road, we'll see some more stuff. I think we should do that now.